You having trouble with Discord voice channels cutting out, freezing, just not working at all? Whether you're on a restricted network or just want smoother calls, in this video, I'll answer the most common questions about using a VPN with Discord. So, why do you need a VPN for Discord? Discord can get blocked on networks or in places with restrictive internet policies, such as work, school, or even in certain countries. In addition, depending on your service level, ISPs sometimes throttle your traffic during gaming or voice calls. A VPN hides your traffic, bypasses blocks, and protects your privacy, so you stay connected no matter where you are. What features matter in a Discord VPN? Low latency is key. You'll need fast, stable servers close to you. You'll also want support for modern protocols like WireGuard. And if you're serious about staying connected, pick a VPN with channel bonding and automatic failover like Speedify. Why does Discord drop out or freeze? High ping, packet loss, or even flaky Wi-Fi can break your Discord sessions. A bonding VPN like Speedify combines Wi-Fi with 5G, Ethernet, even Starlink. And if one of those connections drops, the others take over without interruptions. Can a VPN improve your Discord call quality? Well, traditional VPNs slow things down, but Speedify's smart bonding spreads traffic across all your connections and fixes lost packets on the fly. That means clearer calls, less jitter, especially on unstable networks. What makes Speedify stand out for Discord? Well, Speedify offers channel bonding across Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Starlink, mobile, seamless failover to keep your voice chat going, traffic shaping to prioritize Discord over background traffic, easy setup on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, even Linux. So, is a VPN worth it for Discord? If you need to stay connected, avoid ISP throttling, or get around firewalls, then yes, Speedify isn't just private, it's engineered to keep your voice flowing smoothly, even when your network isn't. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your Discord VPN experience.